Welcome. Tonight I'd like to offer you a heart chakra meditation, Anahata chakra. Closing your eyes and starting to breathe through. You can take your left hand to your heart and your right hand in Gyan Mudra, with index finger and thumb touching. The index finger is your air element and the thumb your fire. And as we've moved from the solar plexus and our lower chakras up to our heart, we've supported ourselves with fertile soil for growth and purpose, nourished ourselves to create, to be in the flow. And we've empowered ourselves with the fire of our solar plexus. And as this ignites our heart's flame, sparkling around our heart, shining, and allowing our heart to be free, to find cleansing and transformation. Perhaps having a shrug of your shoulders a couple of times to just free up the wings of your heart, the back. And as you breathe, allowing your breath to nourish through, caress around. With 12 petals of your lotus flower, blossoming with softness and strength. And as if you could feel the texture of these petals, the texture of your breath moving through with softness, gentleness, of self-love and peace. And the air element with the colour green for growth. And this growth allowing us to let go, to forgive, to understand, to grow with the wisdom from our heart, finding peace, compassion in our understanding, growing with gratitude every day for what our heart can teach us and the beauty of all that is around, the beauty of others' hearts that can teach us to give and receive from your heart, to be in love with life, and to know that this key is inside of you, that you hold this key of love. Breathing fully and allowing your breath to nourish you with green air energy unfurling, and the seed sound yam, 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 for your own heart, your own soul, your own love, peace, and feeling into this, to fully love yourself so that you can fully love others. And if you would like to practice this yam seed sound in a mantra inside you in silence, with an inhale, yam, and an exhale, yam, focusing on the breath, and the breath through from the front of the body to the back of the body, filling you up and emptying out. Feeling the breath from the lower belly to the lower back and up to the chest and the back of the heart, to the nostrils, all in one go with an inhale, And then as you exhale from the nostrils to the back of the heart, to the chest, down to the belly and drawing navel to spine, like an S for the snake of Kundalini, for the spirit within you, as breath in many cultures means spirit. The spirit of your heart, the purity that lies deep within your heart of every single one of us, as we come to this earth to learn from our heart. Taking deep breaths with this. And each time that you sound yam, perhaps you feel the depth of this teaching of your own love, your own path, your own creation, your own empowerment, your own peace. And as the heart chakra has a symbol of a star within it, with a downward pointing triangle and an upward pointing triangle, connecting the lower and the upper chakras. Perhaps you can sense the star moving in the air, the upper triangle moving one direction and the lower triangle moving in the opposite direction, creating a Merkaba, a portal of your heart, of freeing up. Perhaps you can imagine wings beating, fluffing up and flying from your heart, soaring over the world, spreading love. And within the Yoga Sutras, it is said that united in the heart, consciousness is steadied. Then we abide in our true nature. The expansion of this joy is infinite love, which encompasses and then transforms everything it touches. I hope you can sit for a few more minutes, breathing through your heart chakra, breathing with green air energy, with 12 petal lotus and the seed sound yam. And perhaps if you'd like to do some journaling, you may simply start with the sentence, I am love. I love. I am loved. And see what flows afterwards. And perhaps those can be your affirmations as well. I am love. I love. I am loved.